The gentleman from Florida is recognized for 2 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I rise to repeal the disaster that is Obamacare. Obamacare functions as a wet blanket over the American economy, stopping businesses from growing and impairing the rights of individuals to make their own decisions about health care. Mr. Speaker, I specifically implore my conservative colleagues to vote for this bill and give us a chance to get out from under this disastrous law. This legislation represents $1 trillion in tax cuts, $1.15 trillion in spending cuts, $150 billion in deficit reduction, defunding Planned Parenthood. How long have we been fighting to defund Planned Parenthood, close the illegal alien loophole that allows people to enroll in Obamacare only to check their status in this country subsequently? We install work requirements. I don't think people that are able to work but choose not to should expect us to go borrow money from China to pay for their health care. Installing those work requirements is fundamental to bold reform. Block grants for states so that finally they can be liberated from the oppressive hand of the federal government, and also blocking states from additional Medicaid expansion. We have been engaging in these conservative fights for years. And finally today we've got the chance to put a win on the board. And so I am joining our President, our Speaker, many conservatives in this Congress in voting for the American Health Care Act. And when we win, when we do this, not only do we enhance our economy, not only do we free up opportunities for broader prosperity in America, but we allow people to be in charge of health care. And we move from a government-centered system to a patient-centered system. That was the promise we made in the elections, and that is the promise I intend to keep by voting for this bill. I yield back to the gentlelady from Tennessee.
Gentleman from Kentucky.
Mr. Speaker.